Everybody loves to talk big. I'm going to be successful. I'm going to be rich. I'm going to shock the world. But very few people are willing to work in silence. Dreams are loud. Discipline is quiet. It's easy to post about your goals. It's hard to wake up at 4 a.m. when no one is watching. Real growth happens in silence, when nobody claps, when nobody believes, when nobody supports you. Most people want attention. Very few want improvement. While you're announcing your plans, someone else is executing theirs. While you're waiting for motivation, someone else is building discipline. While you're saying one day, someone else is starting today. That's the difference. Winners don't perform for the crowd, they prepare in the dark. Look at Kobe Bryant. People remember the championships, they don't remember the 4 a.m. workouts. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo. People see the goals, they don't see the sacrifice. Results are public, the grind is private. Everyone wants the spotlight, almost no one wants the lonely hours. When you work in silence, something powerful happens. You stop seeking validation. You stop explaining yourself. You stop wasting energy on opinions. Your focus sharpens. Your discipline grows. Your identity changes. Let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them underestimate you. Because when the results arrive, you won't need to say anything. The scoreboard will speak. The bank account will speak. The transformation will speak. Loud dreams attract attention. Silent grind earns respect. And respect lasts longer than attention. So decide today. Are you building noise or are you building power? Stay quiet, stay consistent, stay dangerous. And when the time comes, shock them with your results.